Hi guys, my name is Jane. I own a daycare center in Princeton. So this keeps me busy in the winter through spring. And then in the spring, I start growing our plants. And I will have a lot of video of that when the time comes in March. I thought I would show you, we are putting a new floor in. My sons and a friend are here doing it. So I'm gonna show you what the old floor looks like and what we're gonna do with the new stuff. So here's the yellow and white tile. And as you can see, the wax comes off and it doesn't last very long, maybe only 2 to 3 months. We have about 30 kids that are in this room every day. So let's look at the new tile, laminate. As you can see, this room is quite big. It can hold about 35 kids, and we have 30 right now. I'm gonna let you look over here. I have my oldest son, Eric.
Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
And Sammy. This is his girlfriend, Ashton. This is a good friend of ours, Oliver. Yeah. So we are going to try to get this all done by tonight, and we can show you guys the ending of it. And my granddaughter, Claire,
Hi guys.
is going to help me too this weekend.
Yep.
And Grandpa is here.
And me.
Yep.
We drove in a snowstorm on a Friday evening to do this for Jane. That's how nice we are.
So I have the daycare center. It's called Grow With Us. So I do have 4 rooms. I have an infant room, and that goes from 8 weeks to about 15 months. Then we have a toddler room. We go from 15 months till 31 months. Then we have the preschool, which is 33 to 5 years old. In this 4th room, we do a pre-K, and anybody that is going to, any of the children that are going into kindergarten, they are in that room that year.
Yep.
I also have school-age kids that come after school, so we pretty much have about 100 kids in the center. Mm-hmm. I have a great staff, and now we are gonna start doing some remodeling in a lot of the rooms, so stick with us and I'll show you around later. Thank you.
I'll be there for you. see, we are laying laminate click-together flooring. It's one of probably the quickest ways and easiest ways to spruce up your house a little bit. It's super simple. All you gotta do is start from your corner side, lock it in where you can't see blue. A lot of time these underlayment colors like this are brighter colors, so you can see if they're not all clicked together. And then you click it in, you'll hear the click, and then you want to make sure it's set down. You can tell it's set down because it's all the way flat, and a lot of times they'll kind of sit up like this, and that's when you just kind of keep locking it in. That's about it.
call it a night. It's about, what time is it? 10, quarter after 10. Took us 4.5 hours. A little cleanup yet to do, and that's going to be about it. Thanks, Eric.
No problem.
Thanks, Tom.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Claire.
Yep.
And who else helped?
Oliver and Sam.
Oliver. Yeah.
Yep.
A quick 775 square feet, 4.5 hours.
Nice. Thank
Nice.
you.
Thank you.
See you later.
Bye.
As Eric just walks off screen.
He's just like,
I said some numbers.
drop the mic. Done. I'm out.
I'll put all that in.
I dare you
I'll
to.
give it a shit. Sure.
I dare you to, Tommy.
God, this looks good. I really didn't. I thought you were gonna take like it was gonna take a couple days.
That's kind of what I thought too.
Oh wait, I'm looking at myself for crying out loud. I don't know. Can you stop this? Hi guys, my name is Jane, and I am David's wife. We are. See, I get too nervous.
That's fine, honey. Just
Okay.
act like you're talking to a friend. Don't.
Okay.